Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. This is a nice car. White in color. Looks like it's got 20-inch wheels. I'll look at them when we get closer in. Car's in great shape. It's 8-passenger, leather. Got heated seats. Got rear video on it. Got power tri-fold rear bench in the back. I think it's got 19,000 miles on it. Yeah, 20-inch wheels. Tires are in great shape. Body conditions. You know, I never want to say the word excellent, but boy, it's awful nice. I wouldn't say there's any scratches of that, but we'll look and cover it all with you. It's got a roof rack, backup camera, backup sensors. Like I said, it's limited trim. It's in great shape. Got a power liftgate on it. Let me kind of show you that. It's standard. Power sliders, they're standard. Got a full-size spare. Power seats, tri-fold rear. Like I said, full-size spare on it. Got power sliders both sides. Got floor mats in the rear. These are stow and go. It's an 8-passenger. Got a small seat in the center. It comes out. Got rear video. They're 10-inch screens. That's on both of the seats. Driver's door, of course, power windows, power door locks. Got programmable memory seats on it. Power driver's seat. They're heated. They're cooled. It's perforated leather. Let me show you more about it. Okay, left-hand side of the steering wheel, it's got the headlights. They're automatic. This button is fog lights in the center. Looking at the steering wheel, you have Bluetooth for the phone. This controls the memory that you see in the center. This one's got 15,100 miles on it. This side's cruise control, of course. Automatic. Emergency brake. DVD player is down below. Storage tray for coins. Of course, it's got a center console in it. Air conditioning controls. Start stop button, disable. This is the backup sensors, traction control. Does have the 8.4 radio. It's got satellite radio on it. Media controls. Climate on the screen. Here's your heated seats, your ventilated seats, heated steering wheels. Headrest fold down from the back. Does have navigation. Already set up to pair a phone to it. Car's ready to go. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.